Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 64 plate Volvo XC60. This is the SE Lux Navigation with the 2.4 D4 diesel, automatic gearbox and 5 doors. Finished in Flamenco red metallic, and it's covered just 76,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round of this really smart looking XC60. This is a 2014 on a 64 plate, November 2014 registered, 76,000 miles. Two former keepers. We've got these really nice 18-inch silver alloy wheels that are in tremendous condition all round. Really clean and tidy, as is the whole car. It's a lovely example. Excellent service history. We've got 10 service stamps in the book, and obviously it's approaching a 10-year-old car, so service right the way through its life, every year. Properly well looked after, and really looks the part in this Flamenco red metallic. So it's an all-wheel drive. It's got the D4 2.4 turbo diesel engine, which produces 178 brake horsepower, with the Geartronic Volvo automatic gearbox. £305 a year to tax for 12 months. Volvo say that you'll get 40 miles to the gallon, or 44 miles to the gallon even, on a combined run, so sensible on the fuel consumption. Obviously you've got that all-wheel drive capability, and this is the SE Lux Navigation, so really nice level of spec as we have a look inside. So you've got the Flamenco red on the outside, then you've got this cream leather on the inside, so it's a lovely combination. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good shape. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. You've got Volvo on the kick plates. You've got electronically adjustable and memory seat on the driver's side. Leather's in really good shape. The front seats are heated as well, really nice for the winter. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights, electronic handbrake. Steering wheel's in really good shape. It's not had a hard life, this one. You've got your radio and Bluetooth controls, cruise control. There's your mileage, 76271 as it sits with us, so nice sensible low mileage for the age. Leather centre armrest with some storage in here. There's also a 12-volt socket with a USB. A couple of cup holders under there. There's your Geartronic automatic gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and then up above you got your 2 keys. It's a push button start, so foot on the brake, and away we go. And you got that nice old 2.4 D4 engine. Very nice. Infotainment's just warming up. So down below we've got your heated front seats. You've got your parking sensors, which you can switch off. And then up onto your infotainment, you've got dual zone climate control. We're on the car settings at the moment, but if we go to navigation, there's your sat nav. Knows where we are, which is always good. DAB digital radio. You got Bluetooth for your telephone as well. So really nicely appointed. Around the back there you've got a bit more storage, bit of grippy storage for your phone or wallet or whatever. Just a nice place to be, obviously nice and high off the ground, good visibility. Into the rear again you've got your carpet mats, really nice condition. Electric windows in the back. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts. You've got a fold down armrest with a couple of cup holders. ISOFIX of course, loads of headroom. And then round to the back of the car you've got tow bar with your electrics, and then an electric tailgate, which I always find is a nice touch, which leads us into Excellent sized boot space, massive flat load space there in the back, with a cover as well. Under the cover it is really nice and tidy. Split folding rear seats with the parcel shelf. It's got a couple more layers, and right at the bottom you do get a space saver spare wheel as well. So there we have it, November 2014 Volvo XC60 D4. It's the SE Lux navigation with an automatic gearbox. 76,000 miles, 10 service stamps in the book. Finance is available from less than £240 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And if you would like to come and view, we do work on an appointment only basis, so please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, excellent price range, ticks an awful lot of boxes as a family all-rounder. I'm sure it won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.